In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy an Apple gift card on Android device. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in this link www.apple.com/shop/buy-gift card. Search for it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Apple. From this interface, you'll be able to buy the Apple gift card. Simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to see the question, how would you like to send it? You'll be able to find two options over here, email, mail. If you choose the option email, you'll get the virtual gift card. Likewise, if you choose the option for mail, you'll get the physical gift card. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Now you'll also be able to choose a design. You'll be able to see bunch of designs over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll have to choose an amount. You'll be able to see the options for amount over here. $25, $50, $100. You can simply tap on the option of your choice, or you can also tap on this option, other amount. Now you'll be able to enter the other amount over here. Now after you enter the amount, what you have to do is enter your delivery details. You'll be able to see the question over here, who is it for? So first of all, enter the recipient name over here. Now enter the recipient email address. Now after you do that, what you have to do is enter the sender name. Now also enter the sender email address over here. Now after you do that, if you would like to add a personalized message, you can do that. You can simply tap on this option, add message. Now you'll be able to add the message over here, or you can also simply tap on this option, no message. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, add to bag. Now you can see over here, this has been added to your bag. Now what you have to do is check out. Simply tap on this option, check out, that you can see on the screen. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged into your account, you'll be prompted to log into your account. After that, you'll be led to the checkout interface. Now you'll be able to see the payment methods over here. Simply tap on the option of your choice. If you selected the option for credit or debit card, you'll have to enter the card information over here. First of all, enter the credit or debit card number. Likewise, enter the expiration date over here. First of all, enter the month. Likewise, enter the year. Now after you do that, also enter the CVV. Now after you enter all the details, what you have to do is simply enter the billing address over here. Select the country. Tap on the field of country or region. Now make sure to select the country or region over here. Now enter the first name. Likewise, enter the last name. You'll also have to enter the street address over here. Make sure to enter the correct street address. You can also enter the apartment, suite, etc. if you want. Now enter the zip code. After you do that, select the city or state. Tap on the field of city. Now enter the city over here. Now select the state. Now you'll also have to enter the contact information over here. Provide your email address. Now enter the phone number over here. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. Now after you provide all these details, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, continue to review. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply review all the informations that you provided. Simply review all the informations and confirm the order. After you do that, the order will be placed. You'll be able to receive the virtual or physical gift card according to the option that you selected. So like this, you'll be able to buy the Apple gift card. So that is how you buy Apple gift card on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.